Get ready for the next evolution in smartphone technology. Introducing the Nothing Phone 2, a device that combines stunning design upgrades with enhanced camera capabilities and innovative features. In a leaked reveal, we caught a glimpse of the Nothing Phone 2's new design. Let's dive into the exciting details. The Nothing Phone 2 draws inspiration from its predecessor, the Nothing Phone 1, with its flat-sided iPhone-esque design. However, there is one major change that sets it apart. The rear cover now features an array of mesmerizing LEDs, meticulously crafted into a new glyph shape. With a staggering 33 LEDs, the customization possibilities are endless. You can program the LEDs to create a progress bar, adjust brightness, and even set up unique light patterns for notifications. Nothing has truly taken personalization to a whole new level. Now let's talk cameras. The Nothing Phone 2 is rumored to sport a powerful 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor, similar to the OnePlus 11. But that's not all. For all the selfie enthusiasts out there, the Nothing Phone 2 features an impressive 32 megapixel front-facing camera, allowing you to capture stunning self-portraits like never before. When it comes to the display, the Nothing Phone 2 boasts a vibrant 1080 by 2400 AMOLED screen. While similar to its predecessor, it offers a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for an immersive viewing experience. The Nothing Phone 2 introduces multiple low refresh rate intervals, including 1Hz, 10Hz, 24Hz, and 30Hz low power modes. Say goodbye to unnecessary battery drain. The Nothing Phone 2 comes in a slightly smaller form factor, measuring 156mm by 69mm, making it more comfortable to hold and use with one hand. Nothing CEO Carpe teased us with breathtaking sample photos, showcasing the incredible camera capabilities of the Nothing Phone 2. Get ready to capture your world in exquisite detail. The wait is almost over. Nothing has officially announced the release date for the Nothing Phone 2 on July 11th, with a confirmed US launch. Prepare to experience the future in the palm of your hand. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or looking for an upgrade, stay tuned for more updates on the Nothing Phone 2.